Hey everyone, welcome to my Wellbeing Nature series. And today I want to show you how to bring nature indoors. And this is also something like what's called Biophilia. Nature, Biophilia design, bringing nature, a connection, it's a deep connection to nature with just simple elements such as succulents and stones. It's very grounding, earthing, soothing, de-stressing, relaxing to have these nature elements by you, by your bedside or by your office. I often like to just kind of hold on to the succulent very gently or put my hands in the soil. A lot of beneficial properties that the plants and soil have. They have a special chemical that's also very immune building, believe it or not, because once you de-stress and you reduce inflammation, your immune system, you build a stronger immune system. Also with the stones, these are from the earth. I actually got these from the beach. And of course, they have a grounding properties and just very soothing. They're also very pleasant to look at. Research also states that even just observing any form of nature, so if you're creating a nature art, it's soothing and calming. I also enjoy diffusing some essential oils from the stones. So I'll just put a couple of drops of the lavender essential oil on the stone and just enjoy that. So join me for some more de-stressing, balancing, and just chill out tips. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Iris Rosen, as well as my website, greenhournyc.com. And you'll find links in the bio in all of my social medias. Love the stones. Bring nature indoors, and always stay safe, stay well, and always stay cool.